Forget Wall Street. There's a different kind of gold mine out there, one paved with asphalt and powered by diesel dreams. I'm talking about the trucking industry, a behemoth worth over $700 billion and projected to keep growing like a well-fueled engine. And guess what? You don't need a chrome-plated monster truck or a Scrooge McDuck money vault to join the ride. This asphalt adventure is open to anyone with grit, hustle, and a smart strategy. Now, some might say you need a mountain of cash to climb aboard this beast. Trucks cost a fortune, licenses are a maze, and insurance? Don't even get me started on insurance. But hold on, because I'm here to tell you a secret. You can absolutely launch your own trucking business with just enough grit and gumption to grease the axles. This ain't your daddy's trucking monopoly, folks. This is the age of the solopreneur, the digital dispatcher, the lean, mean, hauling machine fueled by hustle and a whole lot of know-how. Over the next few minutes, we're going to tear down the barriers, map out the route, and equip you with the tools to turn your trucker dreams into reality. So, buckle up, because this ain't no Sunday drive. We're about to blast off into the wild world of trucking, with minimum investment and maximum adrenaline. But before we hit the gas, a quick word. Stick around till the end of this video. I've got a secret bonus tip that could save you a year's worth of headaches, and trust me, in this business, headaches are like rogue squirrels on the highway. Gotta be prepared. Alright, let's do this. Steps to launching your trucking business on a budget. Chart your course, the business plan blueprint. Cost, free, but priceless. Think of your business plan as your compass, your roadmap, your get-out-of-jail-free card. It's not just a formality, it's a living document that guides your decisions, attracts investors, if needed, and keeps you from veering off into bankruptcy ditch. This doesn't require a Harvard MBA, folks. Grab a notebook, answer some basic questions like, what will I haul? And who are my competitors? And bam, you've got a roadmap worth its weight in gold. Links in the description below will give you free templates and resources to make this a breeze. Licenses and permits. Cost varies, but typically under $1,000. You wouldn't drive without a license, right? Same goes for your trucking business. Depending on your location and operation, you'll need a commercial driver's license, CDL, business licenses, and permits like the US.N. number and Motor Carrier Authority. Don't worry, it's not rocket science, and there are plenty of online resources and even driving schools to help you navigate the paperwork jungle. Find your rig, lease or lease to own. Cost varies, but consider leasing options starting around $1,000 per month. Now, buying a brand new rig straight out the showroom might not be on the budget, but that's okay. Leasing opens up a whole world of possibilities. Research reputable leasing companies, compare rates, and consider lease-to-own options. It's like buying a house for your business, one affordable monthly payment at a time. Fuel your business, finding freight. Cost, mostly sweat equity, but some load boards charge minimal fees. The lifeblood of any trucking business is cargo. Thankfully, the internet has given rise to a plethora of online load boards, connecting drivers with shippers like ants to a picnic. Be proactive, network with other truckers, and build relationships with local businesses. Remember, the more reliable and efficient you are, the more freight will come knocking, or rather, clicking on your door. Keep the engine purring. Essential tools and services. Cost varies, but often affordable subscriptions. Remember, your truck might be the muscle, but technology is the brain of your operation. Here are some must-have tools to keep your business running smoothly. Dispatch software. Imagine a GPS for your business, streamlining route planning, managing paperwork, and connecting you with potential clients. Most offer tiered plans, so you can choose features that fit your budget. Accounting software. Keep those invoices and expenses organized with user-friendly accounting software. It'll save you time, money, and maybe even some sanity on tax season. Fuel management apps. Track fuel efficiency, optimize routes, and even find the cheapest gas stations with these nifty apps. Every penny saved adds up on those long hauls. Maintenance tracking tools. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding costly breakdowns. These tools help you schedule checkups, track repairs, and ensure your truck is always road ready. Driver safety programs. Investing in safety training not only protects your drivers and cargo, but can also earn you discounts on insurance premiums. It's a win-win for everyone. Build your crew. Partnering for success. Cost varies, depends on hiring needs. You don't have to go it alone, especially if you're starting small. Consider outsourcing tasks like bookkeeping, marketing, or even dispatching if your budget allows. This frees up your time to focus on driving and growing your business. Fuel your hustle, staying motivated and resilient. Cost, free, but priceless. Trucking ain't always smooth sailing. Long hours, tight deadlines, and the occasional rogue squirrel on the highway can test even the most determined driver. But remember why you started: the freedom, the independence, the satisfaction of building something from scratch. Surround yourself with other truckers, join online communities, and find mentors who can offer guidance and support. Remember, persistence is the fuel that keeps the entrepreneurial engine roaring. Bonus tip: the secret weapon of budget truckers, priceless. All right, here's the cherry on top. The secret sauce that could save you a year's worth of headaches. Specialize. Find a niche in the market, whether it's refrigerated goods, oversized cargo, or even regional deliveries. Becoming an expert in a specific area allows you to command higher rates, stand out from the competition, and build a loyal clientele. Imagine, instead of being a jack of all trades, you're the go-to guru for temperature-sensitive pharmaceuticals or antique furniture transport. That's the kind of specialization that turns you from a roadside diner into a Michelin-starred restaurant. All right, my fellow trucking trailblazers, that's the roadmap to launching your business with minimal investment and maximum potential. Remember, it's not about how much you have, but what you do with it. So, grab your notebook, fire up your laptop, and start paving your own road to trucking success. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for all the helpful resources and templates I mentioned. And if you have any questions, fire away in the comments section. Like and subscribe for more trucking tips, tricks, and tales from the road. Let's build this trucking empire together, 1 mile at a time. Remember, the greatest investment you can make is in yourself. So, buckle up, hit the gas, and roar into the roaring 20s with your very own trucking business.